Hello my dear friends, welcome to the Oliver's channel. In this video we are going to solve a really tricky and mysterious math question together. What is the value of the expression 9 plus 1 divided by 2 then times 4 over 2? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? This question confuses a lot of people and make them choose the wrong option. Let's take a closer look and solve it together. And the first step to solve this question, many people go straight to the expression 9 plus 1 in the numerator of this fraction and replace the whole expression with 10 divided by 2 then times 4 over 2. In the next step, they move on to the division between 10 and 2 and simplifying this expression to 5 multiplied by 4 over 2. Then they say the 2 in the denominator and the 4 in the numerator of this fraction can be simplified and the final answer will be 10. And without any hesitation, they quickly conclude that option D is the correct answer to this question. However, this answer is absolutely wrong. Now let me walk you through step by step how to solve this expression properly. To solve this question, we must strictly follow the steps outlined by the PEMDAS rule. It means that we need to carry out all the operations from top to bottom in order. Alright, as you can see in the image, in the numerator of this fraction, we have an addition sign, then a division sign, and finally a multiplication. According to the PEMDAS rule, we must perform multiplication and division first, because they have a higher priority than addition. However, it's very important to remember that multiplication and division are at the same level of priority. In this case, the best thing to do is to start from the left side of the expression and carry out the multiplication and division step by step. So, first we go for the division between 1 and 2, and we can write the whole expression as 9 plus 0.5 then times 4 over 2. And the next step, it's time for the multiplication between 0.5 and 4, which simplifies this expression to 9 plus 2 over 2. Finally, we handle the addition in the numerator and simplifying this expression to 11 over 2, which ultimately gives us the answer 5.5. Therefore, option C is the correct answer to this question.